American Police Officers' Gadgets. Its purpose is to record interactions between police officers and the public. It's useful to provide evidence in investigations, promote transparency, and protect both officers and civilians. It delivers an electric shock that temporarily incapacitates a person, allowing officers to restrain them safely. It causes temporary blindness, difficulty breathing, and intense pain. Monitor large events, track suspects, search for missing persons, and provide real-time intelligence. Allows officers to check license plates, look up suspect information, and communicate with dispatchers. Track stolen vehicles, identify suspects, and enforce traffic laws. Ballistic shield used by SWAT teams and officers during high-risk operations. Body armor worn by officers to reduce the risk of injury or death in dangerous situations.